ahead, jog it out on the spot. And now high knees, get those knees up, land on the balls of your feet. And now butt kicks, heels to your butt.
This is your chance to get control and do the tribal dance. People started dancing a long time ago. The bass was fast, but then again it was slow. Soul, house, hip hop, and blues. It doesn't really matter which music you choose. Start to listen.
And jumping jacks.
Yeah.
And now squat, squat it out. And now just arm circles. And the other way, opposite direction. Okay. All right, so you can grab a quick drink if you want to. So today, we're gonna do the same format we've been doing, 60, 40, 50, 2 exercises for 60 seconds each, then a little break, then we'll do them again for 50, then again for 40, and we'll move on to 2 different moves. First move, we're gonna do goblet squats. So hold one dumbbell tight to your chest, tight to your body, fairly wide stance, and we're gonna go full range of motion, all the way down, all the way up for 20 seconds, then you're gonna pulse, and then you're gonna hold 20 seconds at each of those positions. And then the second exercise is gonna be power squats, so you can hold the dumbbell here if you want to, and squat wide, and then back in like that. If you don't want to hold the dumbbell, you don't have to. If you don't want to hop, just keep a wide stance. All right, so goblet squats first, full range of motion. Ready, set, and go for it. All the way down and all the way up. Keep that dumbbell close, fairly wide stance. See how low you can get. See if you can get those elbows to your knees. And now pulse, stay down low and pulse, bounce from the bottom now. And now just hold it down there, hold it down there. Hold, hold, hold. Oh, I forgot to mute everybody. Keep holding. 5 seconds. All right, that's good. And now the power squat. So hold that dumbbell horizontally. Hop out, hop in, hop out and squat. Hop in, tap, and just squat when you're out wide. Ready, set, and go for it. So hop it out and squat. Back in, quick, and then right back out. Looking good, looking good. If you get tired of the hops, just keep a wide stance and just squat wide stance. 30 seconds now, 30 seconds to go. Keep moving if you can, keep going. Legs should be all fired up now. Should have been all ready from the last 2. Last 10 seconds, let's go, let's go. If you started with the hops, finish with the hops now. Finish with those hops all the way to the end. right, take your break. And we'll go back to the goblet squats. All right, so 10 seconds, we're gonna go back to the goblet squats. Full range of motion to begin. 20 seconds full range, 15 pulse, 15 hold. Ready, set, and go for it. Full range of motion for now. And now pulse it out, 15 seconds. Stay low, just a little bounce up and down. And now just hold it still. Keep holding, got 5 seconds to hold. All right. And now the power squats. Ready, power squats, set, and go for it. Pop it out wide, quick tap in the middle, and then right back out wide. When you go out wide, that's when you squat. Squat as deep as you can, and just a little tap in the middle, and then right back out. Already halfway, 25 seconds to go. Last 15. When I say last 10, if you started with the hops, I want to see you finish with the hops. Last 10 now. Turn it up if you can. Finish hard as you can. All right, that's good. A little break. And we'll do those one more time. And then we're done with the legs for today. All right, so goblet squats. Full range of motion for 20, pulse for 10, hold for 10. Ready, set, go for it. Full range of motion, goblet squats. And now pulse, get down and pulse it out for 10 seconds. And now hold it down for 10. All right, good. And now the power squats. Feel those? Power squats, ready, set, and go for it. 40 seconds, last 40 to the end of this. Good job, everyone's flying, everyone's moving well. That's 20 to go. Last 10, you got 10 seconds. Okay, take your break, water break. All right, so the next round we're gonna do upright rows. So you're gonna put those dumbbells together, pull them up just under your chin, elbows about shoulder height. Pull them up and then down just under your chin on the way up. And then we're gonna go shoulders 6 ways. So you're gonna need a light weight. So you're gonna come up, in, over, down, out, and down again. All right, so that one you'll need light weight, upright rows, not too light, maybe 12s, should be good. All right, ready, set, and go for it. Upright rows, pull them up just under your chin, elbows up, shoulder height. And if it's causing discomfort in your wrists, just go a little bit wider with the dumbbells. Good. No need to rush. Pull them up and let them come down nice and slow. Use your muscles to control them on the way down. Last 10 seconds for these ones. Get those elbows right up. 2, 1, all right. Now the shoulders 6 ways. So it's light weights, you're gonna go up to the side, into the middle, overhead, back down, out, and down. Ready, set, go for it. So up to the side, into the middle, overhead, back down, out, and back down all the way. Looking good. Nice control. Control those dumbbells. 30 seconds. Should be feeling it now. Quite a bit now. Last 10. Last 10. So you need to get one more of these. One more. All right. Just a little break. For those shoulder 6 ways, when you go overhead, if it feels weird going overhead with this overhand grip, you can turn it neutral grip and pull them overhead that way. So you can try it out. If it doesn't feel right going overhand, just hold them hammer style. All right, either way, we're gonna go back to the upright rows, 50 seconds. Ready, set, and go for it. Upright rows. That's 25 already, 25 to go. Just less than 10 seconds now. 2, 1, all right. Now back to those shoulders 6 ways, light weights. All right, ready, set, go for it. Bring them up, in, over, down, out, and down. Try that hammer grip. If you feel like the overhand grip going overhead doesn't feel right, just turn them. Does that feel better, Christina? A little bit? Halfway there, halfway already. Last 10 seconds. All little break. We'll do those two one more time. So each of those again for 40 seconds. All right, so upright rows. Get your dumbbells ready in 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Upright rows. Good job. Nice and slow. That's what I like to see. Slow on the way down. We're already past the halfway. Last 10. All right, that's good. Now the shoulder 6 ways. Get your light weights. Here we go. Ready, set, and go for it. Out to the side, into the middle, up overhead, back down to the middle, out to the side, and back down. Shoulders should be screaming now. Just a little bit. Last 10 seconds, at least one more rep, maybe more, maybe 2. All right, that's good. Take your break, water break now. So the next round, we're gonna do chest flies. Chest flies with scissor abs. So the chest fly, you're gonna come out wide and then come back in. As you do it, you're gonna just scissor your legs like that. So you're coming out wide with those dumbbells just before your arms hit the ground, and then back in. You can relax your head right flat on the ground. All right, so if you can't do it with the scissor motion, then just do it regular without using your legs at all. So do those, and then we're gonna do a squat and press. Squat and press overhead. So I lied that there was no more legs. Forgot about those. All right, ready, set, and go for it. So chest fly and scissor your legs. Try to get that coordination down. Seconds, 30 in, 30 to go. Looking good, nice and wide with those dumbbells just before your arms hit the ground, and bring them back up. Feel that stretch, get as much of a stretch as you can. Ten seconds now. 2, 1, all right. Now up on your feet, we're gonna do a squat and press. Squat it down, press those dumbbells up overhead. All right, ready? Squat and press, set, and go for it. Squat it down, push them up. Try to use your legs to help with those arms. Use the momentum from your legs to get those dumbbells up. Good, looks awesome. Seconds. 10 seconds now. A few more reps. All right, that's good. Take a break, little break, and we'll go back into the chest flies. Chest flies with the scissors. Okay. Got about 10 seconds. 10 seconds, we'll go into the chest flies and scissor your legs if you can. Make sure you get that big stretch at the bottom. Ready, set, and go ahead. Big stretch. And then try to squeeze while you bring those dumbbells together. Squeeze your chest as much as you can. Half now, 25 already, 25 to go. Last 10 seconds. All right, that's good. Now back on your feet, squat and press. Ready, set, and go for it. Squat it down, press those dumbbells up on the way up. Deep squat, and then explode. Explode up with your legs, explode up with those arms. Good job. We got less than half to go now. Already past halfway. Deep, 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 and then explode out. Last 10 seconds. 3 more. Don't quit till you get at least 3 more. All right, that's good. Little break, and we'll do those 2 again one more time for 40 seconds each. Okay, chest flies in 10 seconds. Chest flies and scissor your legs if you can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Last 10 seconds now. Finish this one off. All right, good. Back on your feet now. Squat and press one more time. Okay, squat and press, 40 seconds. Ready, set, and go ahead. Done. 20 to go. Keep going, keep going. Get those deep squats. Good job. 5 seconds, 2 more. All right, good job. All right, you can take your water break. We have one more round, one more set. So this next set, we'll start with the tricep overhead extension, the tricep power bombs. We're going to take one dumbbell. You can go fairly heavy on these ones, 15s maybe if you have them. And keep your elbows tucked in. You're gonna cup the dumbbell, come all the way down, and then up overhead. Feel that stretch, let it stretch you at the bottom, and then up. You can do it kneeling like I am, or you can do it standing up. I just figure you can see me better kneeling. So those ones, and they're gonna go right into tricep push-ups. Tricep push-ups, keeping your elbows tight to your body. So don't let them flare out, keep them locked to your body. And you're just gonna come down and up like that from that position. Okay, so tricep overhead extensions and tricep push-ups. 1 minute each. Ready, get that one dumbbell, set, and go for it. Keep your elbows fairly tight to your head. Don't let them float away from your head too much. And that stretch at the bottom, that's the most important part. That range of motion. That's 30 seconds, 30 to go. Oh, it's getting heavy already. Wait till we do the push-ups. Last 10 seconds. Last 10. All right, that's good. Now the tricep push-ups. Remember to keep your elbows, your arms locked to your body this way. Not out here. Keep them tight to your body. Ready? You can do it from your toes or from your knees. Ready, set, and go for it. Should be interesting. Good. Tracy's already shaking her head. She had enough of this one today. Good job, Christina. Look at those triceps. Popping. Brought you to your knees, finally. 20 seconds to go. Last 10, let's go. Three more. All right, that's good. Little break, and we'll go back into the overhead, the power bombs, the overhead extensions. All right, so 10 seconds, grab your weight. We'll go overhead extensions first, 50 seconds. Ready, set, and go for it. Good range of motion. That's what I like to see. Really let it stretch you at the bottom. That's gonna make your muscles work even more. Halfway. Just make sure that dumbbell comes back up. Last 10 now, last 10. Push, bend, and then extend it up. All right, that's good. And now on the ground, tricep push-ups. Here we go, tricep push-ups, lock those arms to your body. Ready, set, and go for it. Good job, good use of the wall. Patty and Andrea looking good. Do what you need to do. 25 seconds. 25. Get down as low as you can every time. As low as you can. Not that low. Last 10. 3 more. You can do 3 more. Maybe. All right. Little break. We'll do those 2 once more, and then we're all done. 40 seconds each. All right, overhead extensions, 40 seconds, ready, set, and go ahead. Big stretch, remember, all the way as low as you can. Keep those elbows fairly tight to your head. Last 15 seconds for this one. Oh, it's a struggle this time. I see you struggling. That's what I like to see. That means you're working. 1 more. All right. Down on the ground, the tricep push-ups. Last one. Okay, ready, set, and go for it. Tricep push-ups. Keep those arms locked to your body. And get down as low as you can. Just make sure you can come back up. "20 seconds.
The longest 20 seconds ever.
You right, Vanessa? Last 10 now. All right, all done. Good job, everyone.